in this section, the solution sets look like shaded regions. So the solution set then would be, what shaded region do they have in common? What solution? Where do the solutions overlap this time? Okay. So all we got to do is graph both. Graph both of these solution sets on the same graph, and then just find out where they meet. That's it. So let's do that. So this one, both easy here because it's already solved for y. So we can go right to graphing. So for that first equation, the y-intercept is going to be 0, 4. And the slope is negative 2. So then from here, we're going to go down 2, right 1. Maybe one more time. Down 2, right 1. And the line is dashed, right? And then I know I'm going to shade, because it's a less than here, I know I'm going to shade below. Okay, so the thing about this, it's good if you have highlighters or color pencils. This is the best time to use it, because when we start shading, as you'll see in a couple of examples, you might have to do like 4 regions. It might be hard to keep track of where the common region is. If you just have a pencil, I would suggest just lightly shading and then increasing that shade as you go along for each one. That way you can clearly see where they overlap, or different directions, right? So you can kind of see where they cross. So for me, I do have that luxury of using different colors. So I'm going to try this out this time. I'm going to use the highlighter. So this would be that region, right? I got to be careful because I don't want to, I mean, it's not going over that. Anyway, it's kind of messy. All right, now I want to graph the other inequality. So the y-intercept for the second inequality is 0, negative 4. And then from there, we're going to go, the slope is 1, so from there, up 1, right 1. I'm going to apply that a couple times. Then I'm going to draw a dashed line. Which way do I shade for that one? Also below. Yeah. Oh, this one doesn't really stand out. We'll see what happens when I... No, it didn't like that. That's a fail. All right. What if it's different color? That. No. No. Okay, how about this one? That kind of works if I were to do that way. I'm going to undo some of this, but I'm just playing around here. Okay, I'm going to try the orange. You can kind of see below, right, where they overlap. The color will stand out. See? So where is the solution set? The solution set is going to be that triangular region right in the bottom, because that's where the solutions overlap. Once I identify where the solution's at, then I really emphasize it, right? So then I'm going to really make it stand out. So if you have just a pencil to use, then you're going to really just make that region dark. If you're worried that I'm not going to be able to tell, then you can label it. So I can just point to that region and say solution set. Okay. So the solution set is the region where the solutions overlap.